You're welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video we'll be looking at the trig ratio or special acute angles. What are special angles? Special angles are angles that can be simplified without the use of calculators or mathematical table. That is, the values of each of the angles can be known or determined without the use of calculator or mathematical table. The examples of special angles are we have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Let's start with 45 degree. To simplify 45 degree, we are going to consider a square of a unit side each. This is 1 unit. This side, 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. You know that each of the angles is a right angle, 90 degree. So we can get the diagonal of this. Let's bring out one of the 2 right angles that we have. We will bring out this. We have this right angle. This is 90 degree, which means this angle will be 45 degree. This angle will also be 45 degree. So bring it here. This is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. This is 1. This is also 1. Now let's label the triangle. Maybe we'll call it A, B, C. Now for us to achieve this, we need to calculate this side, the longest side, which is the hypotenuse. And this can be the adjacent to this one if you are using this side, and this is the opposite. Let's calculate this side using Pythagoras theorem. So to know AB, which is side AB raised to power 2, equals AC raised to power 2 plus BC raised to power 2. We have AB raised to power 2 equals 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 raised to power 2. This is going to give us 2. So therefore, AB is going to give us root 2. Then we come back to our diagram. AB, which is the hypotenuse, is root 2. And I want to look at the sine, the cosine, the sine, cosine, and tangent of special angle 45 degree. Now let's start with sine. Sine 45 degree, which is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. If you look at our angle, we are using this is opposite over hypotenuse. So we have it to be 1 over root 2. So sine 45 degree is 1 over root 2. Let's look at cosine. Cos 45 degree. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. If you go back to our diagram, the adjacent to 45 is 1. The hypotenuse remains to be root 2. So we have 1 over root 2. Now let's look at the tangent. Tan 45 degree. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. opposite over adjacent. If you look at the diagram again, we see that opposite is 1, adjacent is 1, which means that sine or tangent of 45 degrees will be opposite over adjacent. That will give us 1. So if you look at the simplification of tan 45 degrees is going to give us 1. Now let's see what we can get from this. If you look at sine and cosine, we can say that sine 45 degrees equals cos 45 degrees, which will give us 1 over root 2. Or this can be simplified as root 2 over 2 if you rationalize this. So this is the simplification of angle 45 degrees without the use of table or calculator. Join us in the next video as we look at the special angles of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Thanks for watching.